Okay, Simon's gonna cut an onion. Just like Mama does. You need help? So right here, put it on its side, just like that. Hold it up on its side. There you go, like that. Yeah, get it right in there. Yay! Cut the onion! What a good job you did! Alright, hey Simon, can you look at me for a second? Show everybody your pretty haircut. You doing it again? Uh-oh. Oh good, yeah, that's some good slicing etiquette right in your hand. I'm going to put it back together. You did it. Hooray! Oh wait, no, show us your haircut. You touch your hair. Good. Hey Simon, can you show everybody your surprised face? Do it again. Ready? Surprise face. You blow kiss?